And the rough early lead is taken by Sweet Music. Go Abigo moving up on the inside. It's now Go Abigo in the lead. Sweet Music on the outside. Take the Crown running third by Alain Canihap moving up on the inside. Entry number 2, Sydney Boy. It's still Go Abigo leading the field by 3 lengths, followed by Sweet Music. Take the Crown running in third on the outside. Moving up on the inside, Sydney Boy and Vermont Conqueror Kimagure. Rounding the far turn, it is still Go Abigo leading the field by 3.5 lengths. Sweet Music remains in second, and Take the Crown running in third on the outside. And now the last bend for home, it is still Go Abigo. It's Go Abigo by 3.5 lengths, followed now by Take the Crown on the outside, and by the rail is Sweet Music. Sydney Boy moving up on the inside, Vermont on the farther outside, Conqueror. And into the home stretch, it's still Go Abigo, followed by Take the Crown on the outside. It is now Take the Crown moving up on the outside, and by the rail it's Go Abigo. And finally, at the payoff line, it's going to be Take the Crown, Sweet Music, Go Abigo, Vermont Conqueror, Sydney Boy, and Kimagure.
Okay, 7635 order of arrival para sa race number 1 top choice.